Hey everybody, welcome back to TechOdyssey. I'm here with another case review, and this time it is the Crave Dual Guard case for the Pixel 6 Pro. Yes, I know, I'm not really much of a case channel. I used to review a lot of cases, and then I just started reviewing more phones and cases. But hey, if you get a phone, you want a case on it, I firmly believe in that. You don't want to mess it up, especially when you're talking about an $899 minimum investment. $13.99 for this case. It's actually at the top of the list on Amazon. You can click the link down below here in my description if you want to use my affiliate link to go there. But I like the case that I got. I was using the Caseology Parallax case. I made a video about this and the Google one and a Spigen one. They're good. Some of them are okay. Some of them are not as okay. But I wanted something a little bit more protective, a little bit more grip on it. I looked at this one. I had heard some stuff about it and people said, hey, you should try out the Crave one. So I thought, hey, I'll check it out. $13.99. Price is right for me. And I've been surprised since I put it on here. It's a dual layer case. It's got a rubberized interior, impact protection, also wireless charging compatible, 6 different colors. And no, I wasn't paid for this. I bought this case with my own money. So I'm like, look, I bought this. I like it. I'm here to tell you about it. Maybe you'll like it. I think this may just be the case to use on the Pixel 6 Pro. That's the one I'm using on mine. Before we get into that though, I do want to say if this is your first time stopping by the channel, thanks for being here. Hopefully there's a second. Hopefully you like something here, you come back, hit the like and the subscribe button. That's a big thing to show support for the channel, and it lets you get updates. Like whenever I put a video out, it'll pop up on your newsfeed and you can go, hey, crazy guy with half a hairline made another video again. Look at him. Hit the notification bell so you can get actual notifications when I make a video. You'll probably turn it off after a few days, but it'll make me feel good to know you did it. And now, let's take a look at the case. So here we are with the Crave Dual Guard case. Now this case, it reminds me of the old school cases because it has 2 layers of protection. So you have like this neoprene, more of a rubberized impact shell that goes on the phone, and then you have the hard shell that goes on top of it, locks it into place, kind of synergistic, and it works together to give you impact shock protection, cushions the phone in case you drop it, and all that good stuff. It's also wireless charging compatible, so you can use it that way as well. Surprisingly, this is my favorite of the 4 cases I've reviewed so far. $13.99. It's actually the cheapest one, so we'll set this off to the side for a second. Take a look at the box. It comes in like 6 colors. I got this green one. It comes in like black, blue, blush color. This green one. I can't remember all the colors, but there's a decent selection there. You can check out the link down below in the description to go to the Amazon link. Ultra slim design. They actually do have a more slim one if you don't want one quite as hefty as this, which this one actually has a nice bulk and ergonomic design to it. Like it doesn't feel super bulky, which I like. Shock absorption, precise cutout, premium quality. You don't really care about any of that stuff. You just want to know if it works. But it's supposed to be strong, reliable, and protective. Yeah, okay. I'm sure it probably is. I think that it's a really nice case. As soon as I put it on, I was like, man, I like this one a lot better. I was using this Caseology Parallax case right here. And it's a nice little shell case. It's fine. It doesn't offer a ton of protection. It's nice and thin. This one right here has this nice textured back on it. I do like this. Plus, it's got the hard shell. It gives you a little bit more impact protection. And it's got just a nice complementary grip on it. So let's put this on the phone. Buttons are also nice too. So this goes on here. If we put our phone in there properly. So you get this first layer that goes on there, and then this snaps on over the top of it. If you ever used an Incipio case back in the day, this right here will give you some throwback feels. It says Crave down here. You get this nice textured back. I like this a lot. It gives you extra grip. This one not so grippy, which is fine. The Caseology one is a very good case. This one is more of a good fit for me. It's more protective. You'll probably like it. The buttons, nice and firm. They don't have a real quick, like, snappy feedback on them, but they do kick back. They're no problem. They will probably break in some over time as you use them. You got an opening for the microphone up there. That's what that little hole is for. You have this recessed cutout protection where this is raised that drops, the camera is down below it. So if you place this down on a flat surface, it's going to come into contact with this first, which is going to protect your big camera array there, which is the big drawing quality, of course, for a Pixel phone. So if you take it and place it on a flat surface, it's going to be really hard to mess up those cameras. So you're covered there. Again, the button's all on one side. And then we've got the cutouts on the bottom for the speaker setup and then for the USB-C. It's kind of a deep cutout here, and it's not overly open or wide. You're not going to be able to plug a whole lot in here. You're going to be able to plug in a charging cable, but if you try and plug in like an adapter like this right here, so I've got this Samsung adapter, it doesn't seat in all the way because the case is too deep. So yeah, USB adapters, they just don't work out. You can put this on a wireless charger like I was saying earlier, so you're covered that way if you want to charge it like that. And then you also have the raised protection here. So if you look at the top, you see how the top edge of the case sits up higher than the screen. That gives you a similar protection that you get on the back. So if you place it down on a flat surface, you're good to go that way. And I just put a screen protector. That's why you can see these little bubbles here. There's like a little line crease across. This is not an advertisement. This is just what I bought. Been using this for maybe about an hour so far, and it seems to be okay. It goes on pretty easy. It's one of those similar styles where whenever you kind of have to like, has different layers. So you lift one up, you use a little squeegee and push it forward. If you know what I'm talking about, you know. If you don't, then I'm making a video about that as well to let you guys know. It seems to be an okay screen protector. So overall, you just get a nice protective case setup here. Again, there are like 6 colors. You have to check them out. Click on the link below in the description, and it'll point you in the right direction. I wanted to make this video because this one is my favorite. I've tested out the Google case. I've tested out the Spigen case, one of them. I've got this, Caseology Parallax case here. This one, as soon as I put it on, nice fit, nice snug, really complimentary to the phone. I really like the way that it feels. I like that it's grippy and textured on the back. I like that it's more protective. It gives you a nice premium feel to it. This one right here is nice. It doesn't really give you that premium feel, and I like that this one has the more texture. But anyway, so this one I think could be the case to get if you're looking to get one, don't want to spend a bunch of money. $13.99, free Amazon Prime shipping, and I got it in like a day. So this is one of those things where it's a low investment, high return on your investment value, and is going to keep your phone protected for sure. It doesn't say it's mil standard drop protection rated. Most cases aren't these days. I think that was a thing of old where people just don't care anymore. They're like, look, if you drop it from 4 feet, it's good. I'm not going to go drop this on the concrete because I don't want to mess up my case or my phone, but it seems bulky and hefty and protective enough that it's going to be all right. I've messed with a lot of cases over the years. This one seems like a good one, and it gets my 2 thumbs up if you're in the market to pick one up. So that's all I've got in this video with my review on the Crave Dual Guard case for the Pixel 6 Pro. They may even have it for the Pixel 6. I'll look. If I see it there, I'll drop it below as well in the description. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those down in the comment section, and I will get back with you. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.